Hey everybody, it's the Whiskle Wheeler YouTube channel. We've been following the Wisconsin and Door County wine trail, and we found the easiest, I'll say even I can use it, wine cork remover, and have a recipe to share for wine slush mix that you can make for yourself or package and share with a friend. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Let me show you how the Happy Hour Easy Pop air pressure bottle opener works in 3 easy steps. If you're interested, we have a link to it in the description box below. Step 1, remove the foil cover. Step 2, insert the needle into the cork the entire length of the needle. Center it over the top of the cork and push straight down. Then you're going to hold the bottle firmly and press the outer tube, which pumps the air into the bottle and forces the cork out. This builds pressure inside the bottle with each pump. The cork will begin to exit the bottle with one last pump. Your wine is open. I've never been able to open a bottle without making a mess of the cork, so this has been a great find for me. I have a link in the description box below if you want more information. Now, to make your homemade wine slush mix. Start with a cup of sugar and add 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid. I like to have a little color in the mix if I'm going to package it and share it with a friend. So either I add a 1/2 teaspoon of matcha powder or a 1/2 teaspoon of instant tea. This is optional and the purpose is solely for aesthetics. Now to make the wine slush. I make it right in a gallon Ziploc bag. I use a pitcher to hold the bag while I add the ingredients. I'll add 1 batch of the mix that we previously made. When I'm using a sweeter wine, I add half now and if needed, more at the end after I mix everything and give it a taste. Next, add 3 cups of water. Mix it well to dissolve the sugar. It is optional to add a 1/3 cup of rum for a little added kick. You could use vodka or any other liquor of your choice, but again, this is optional and just something that I like to add. Go ahead and add your 750 milliliter bottle of wine. After it's added, you're going to stir it well. So now just remember, if you did have a sweeter wine and only added half of the sugar mix at the start, now is the time to give it a taste and see if you need more. Zip your bag closed and double check the seal. I set mine in a container in the event of a leak. Freeze it for about 4 to 6 hours, and you want to shake it every hour or so just so that it stays a little bit looser in the bag. In the event that you did let it freeze a little too solid, go ahead and just let it sit on the counter for a bit to soften before you're ready to serve. You can see I've done that here, and it mushes up fairly easily. Spoon it into your glass, serve it with a wide straw, and enjoy your cool, refreshing drink.